Sound boxes. With these sound boxes, we will be practicing diphthong sounds. Sometimes you will see that there are more than one letter per box. That's because sometimes it takes more than one letter to create a sound. We're going to spell the word launch. We'll start by listening to the word said, then segmented for you. Hearing the segments will make it easier for you to spell the word. Click on the speaker to begin.
Launch. Ch.
Now let's use the sounds we hear to spell the word. L, ah, ch. Notice two of the boxes have more than one letter. AU says the sound ah, and CH says the sound ch. We do not hear k, do we? So when you're finished adding the letters, click on the speaker to see if you're correct.
Launch. Ch.
Click Submit if you're satisfied with your sounds. If you're not satisfied, you can drag them back over and choose a different sound. Now let's spell the word. L, ah, ch. You can click the speaker again to check your work and change the letters if you need to. Click Submit to see if you're correct. Now you try. Have fun. Click Next to go to your first card.